The District of Columbia is obviously the nation's capital and very space constrained. FedEx's facility here has a large flat roof, and so this facility is an ideal host for a solar project, which holds over 2,000 solar panels and is about a 1 megawatt solar project. One of the unique aspects of this project is that it's a community solar project. When this project actually generates the electricity and is fed onto the grid, it generates credits that count for as much electricity as generated. FedEx then is able to allocate those credits to either its buildings or to other businesses or nonprofits in the area.
Some are organizations so others might eat is a community-based organization. We deal with food insecurity. We provide comprehensive wraparound services for residents of our affordable housing units. We have 1,300 units across the city.
One of the incredible things about this project is that FedEx is working with a local community organization, SOME, to take the credits from this project that are generated and actually allocate them towards two of their facilities so that they can receive those credits. And FedEx is actually adding a supplemental donation as well to ensure that their full electricity needs are covered.
By tapping renewable energy sources, FedEx is able to allow SOME to offset its electrical usage costs at two of our highest usage properties. FedEx brings the power, SOME does the empowering.
It's incredibly important that an organization like FedEx will take this underutilized roof space and enable it to generate solar power, and I hope that it inspires other businesses alike around the district and around the country.